Hi, I'm Mary Ellen Lopez. I'm the medical director, owner, and nurse practitioner of Mariposa Health Beauty Spa. We are the place where science meets beauty with heart. We're located in Santa Fe, New Mexico. Today we're going to talk about facial balancing, specifically using dermal fillers. We use a variety of fillers to reach your goals. So we have RHA Red Density, we have RHA 2, 3, and 4. 4 happens to be my most favorite, and this is the thickest of this collection of fillers. This is often where when we're looking at facial balancing, we're looking at projection of chin possibly, or maybe a more defined jawline, or possibly in the cheeks. And this is the filler that we would choose. This provides a lot more structure and volume for people who have lost that through the years, or who just want to look more youthful. Again, we come together to develop what your goals are and try to make your face look more balanced and youthful. So I would love to help you decide what is best for your goals with your face and where you want to improve those areas. You can call us or text us at 505-699-9466. Let me help you with your facial balancing.